Yeah, hello friends. Welcome back to our channel again. Today we are going to have a look at and how the market is going to be perform, or like what are all the things we need to track for the upcoming week, which is like the week of October 26 to 30. Okay. So let's start analyzing the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we can just look into an chart. Okay. So I have taken the Nifty chart of 1 day candlesticks. Okay. So if you look at this, how the market ends on the Friday, so it ends flatly, and it have an upper shadow and also it having an lower shadow. Okay. So let me draw an resistance and the support level for this. Okay. So if you look at this, so this is the recent the nearest resistance level, so which is like around 12,000. And if you look at the nearest support level, then it will be at the level of 11,673. Okay, so which is like we can keep it as the Nifty will be trading between 12,000 and 11,700. Even this is what the Nifty is trading for past 10 trading days. Okay, so you can see that. So this is the range Nifty is keep on moving. Okay, so if you even look at the weekly candles, you can see this. So this is the level. Okay, and this level is not only the current week's support and resistance. So if you look at the past data, here you can see that. So this is the level where um, the market is taking an support previously, and the same level acted as in resistance in the month of October 2019. Okay, here you can see that this level is keep on acting as an crucial support and resistance for the multiple times. Okay, so this level is a crucial level, and if any breakout happens on either side will take a market further. Okay, so right now market is range bound between these two levels, and also I personally expect that the 12,000 will be an very good resistance for this current week. Okay, so and let's have a look at an Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if you look at this is the 1 day candle, and let's also draw an resistance and support level. Okay, so this is the recent and nearest support and resistance level. Okay, so if you have a look into that, so 25,000 will act as a nearest resistance, and on the downside 23,000 is the support. And if we consider the nearest support, then 24,000 will act as a nearest support. Okay, so since based on this data, this might act as a support, and 24,000 will act as a support, and 25,000 will act as a resistance. Okay, if you even look at if you look at the weekly candle as well, so here you can see that. So this level is the nearest uh, resistance, and also this is having an resistance multiple times as well if you look at the past data. Okay, so you can see that this level 25,000 acted as an resistance multiple times, and also it acted as a support as well. So we are taking this level as the nearest resistance for the coming week. Okay, and also we have a multiple global and global cues going on. So based on that, market will be little bit volatile for this coming week. Okay, so right now the VIX is trading at the level of 21.83, which is close to 22, and I am expecting this VIX to increase a little bit in the coming week, as we have a multiple events going to happen in the coming weeks. Okay, so next let's have a check between how that Nifty and Bank Nifty is performing for the past weeks. Okay, so if we look at that Nifty, so for the past 30 days, it have been moved around 7%. Okay, so 7% Nifty have been moved for the past uh, 30 days. And if you look at the Nifty, Bank Nifty, it have moved around 16%, nearby 16%, which is like 15.80%. So by looking at this past 30 days of time period, Bank Nifty is more bullish than Nifty. Okay, so I'm assuming that Bank Nifty will be going to have a upside movement, and it I am guessing, and also Nifty should match this Bank Nifty's movement. Okay, so Nifty may move upside based on the Bank Nifty's movement which happened for the past 30 days. Okay, and also there is an lot many earnings result to be released in the coming week. So those are all. If you look at on the 26th, which is on Monday, these are all the major four stocks which are going to be having an earnings. Okay, so we have a Kotak Bank on results on Monday, so which will impact Bank Nifty in here. And if you look at the 27th October, so these are all the stocks. So we can look at ICICI, Prudentials, and Tata Motors as a major earnings. Okay, so since we can see that in the past couple of months back, there are more number of cars have been started selling due to this global pandemic, and public transports are not available. So most of the people started buying cars for their own purpose. Okay, so Tata Motors might release a very good result, and it might impact an Nifty's movement. Okay, and again on the Wednesday we have a Axis Bank's result. Again, this is going to impact Bank Nifty, and we have these are all the stocks which is having an results on the 29th October. And if you look at the 30th October, we have our Reliance. Okay, so Reliance is then major contributor of Nifty. So we have a result of Reliance on 30th October, so which might have some move either upside or downside, and this will impact Nifty's movement as well. Okay, and since also we have an monthly expiry on coming 29th October, which is on coming Thursday, so this will have a good volatility, since because like people will either roll up or roll down their F&O position contracts to the November month, so which will make a volatile to an market. Okay, and also let's have a look at an FIA and DIAs positions for the past 1 week. Okay, so if we look at that FIA and DAI, so here you can see that the FIA are keep on buying for the past 1 week. So these are all the amount they are keep on buying for the past 5 days. So they have bought continuously for the past 5 days. And in the right hand side, we can see that DAI, which is in domestic investors, are keep on selling. Okay, so if FII's inflow is keep on going to increase in the future as well, then we can have a look. Nifty might also get a buying positions, since even that FIAs are keep on buying. Okay, so based on this FIA buying, we can see more buyings happens, and this might lead market to one near to the 12,000 levels. Okay, so if you look at the monthly, they have bought like FIA have sold around 11,000 crores in September, and DAA have bought like around 110 crores. And if you look at that current month of October, so FIA is bullish right now, is keep on putting their money inside our market, and right now it's having around inflow of around 13,564 crores. Okay, so this is FI's activity. And if you look at the 52 weeks nearby stocks, so three stocks have made a new 52 week, so from the Nifty 100 stocks. So those are all Havells, JSW, Oracle Finance, and Ambuja Cement. So these are all the stocks which made a new 52 weeks high. Okay, and if you look at an 52-week low stocks from the Nifty 100, there is no stock. So this is also telling that market is little bit bullish. Okay, so these are all the news related to our Indian stock market. Okay, and also there is a state election coming on in coming weeks in Bihar. Okay, so this might also have some impact in our markets volatility. Okay, so overall we can expect a little bit of volatility. So I would, so my personal thinking is that we can better avoid this current weekly options trading. So since we market will be looking more volatile. Okay, and also if you look at an global news for this current week, we have an US election on November 3rd, and that will make a volatility movement. And also there is a news related to, and stimulus is going on, so that will also make that will also will keep a market volatile. And if you look at this coronavirus cases, so there is like around new 84,000 new infections have been reported in the US on last Friday, so which is an highest number of cases since July. Okay, so this will also have some impact to an markets on the coming weeks. Okay, but if you look at the global indexes, um, that have made little bit, most of the global indexes are closed on green side in the past trading sessions. That is like most of the markets have been expecting there might be some stimulus to help that economy in a US markets. Okay, so considering that markets, you can see that US market entered like around 0.37% higher side, and European market also closed on the higher side on the 23rd. And if you look at the SGX Nifty, it closed like around 35 points upper side in the level of 11,970 by yesterday, which is on October 24th. Okay, and if you look, most of the Asian markets are trading on the higher side. Okay, so this is the market outlook for coming week. So there is an earnings for most of the stocks, so this might impact the market movements. Okay, so hope you guys have liked this video. So thanks for watching, and also press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel so that you will be getting an notifications whenever we upload our new videos. Okay, and also in our channel we have started doing monthly Nifty options with an adjustments. Okay, so I'll be posting video for that adjustments once in a week or twice in a week or whenever the time permits. But anyhow, I used to keep on post the MTM profit or losses in my Telegram channels and in my Twitter, and also I used to write my blog. So respective links are available in the video's description, so you may join our Telegram, and we can follow our Twitter as well. So thanks for watching, friends. Happy trading.